What's up, TechStars? My name is Matt Bowering, and I am the CEO of Gigabug Computer. So I've been leading quantum computing at MathWorks, where I grew MATLAB's quantum computing library from no users up to about 10,000. And I also do consultation work for some of their major defense customers there. Furthermore, I'm a graduate student at Purdue studying electrical and computer engineering. And so Gigabug Computer is the spin-out company of my research there. And so I've been really interested in, unconventional physics-based computing. And this is a whole wide area and deep field, that's largely been kind of caught up in academia and hasn't really come to commercialization yet. But we're kind of at this changing point where, as we try and make transistors smaller and smaller and smaller, we're approaching the physical limits of what they can achieve in terms of switching operations per dissipated energy. And of course, as AI is taking off, we really need a new kind of computing paradigm. And so I've been putting a lot of effort into saying, hey, to build this new kind of computing paradigm, you have to think about, what does the hardware architecture look like, and what does the software paradigm look like? And you have to keep iterating and meet somewhere in the middle. And so, at school, I'm thinking a lot about hardware architecture, and at work, I've been doing a lot of software design. And so I'm really well positioned to have a full stack understanding and, figure out a new approach. And so I've already built a prototype that's orders of magnitude more power efficient than a GPU for particular optimization problems. And I want to put out a developer kit because this technology is still kind of coming to commercialization. There's no product on the market for these kind of computers. And so by putting out a dev kit, it's a really low barrier to entry. So customers can get their hands on it, they can start programming it, they can understand the technology and formulate their problems onto this device and, start to usher this technology in. So once I sell all these dev kits, I already have a whole batch of the circuits ready at my house. My plan, I'm already thinking about what my next architecture is going to be and how I'm going to scale up this design. And so after I get money for, this initial batch of dev kits, I plan to release, another circuit that's more designed for industry scale problems and go from there. So thank you for listening. My name is Matt Bowering, and I am the CEO of Gigabug Computer.